In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to PDF. If you have an .html file on your computer, the simplest way to turn it into a PDF is to open it in your web browser and use the built-in Save as PDF option. This works in popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, and you don't need any extra software. Start by locating your .html file. Double-click it. On most systems, that will automatically open the file in your default browser. You'll know it worked if you see the page rendered just like a normal website, with text, images, and links displayed. If it doesn't open, make sure your system has a browser set as the default for HTML files, then try again. Give the page a second to fully load so everything appears correctly in the preview later. Next, open the print dialog. On Windows and most keyboards, press Ctrl+P. On Mac, press Command+P. This brings up a preview of how the page will look when printed. Don't worry, we're not going to send it to a physical printer. This is simply the place where you choose to save the page as a PDF. Take a quick look at the preview to confirm that the content you expect is visible. Now set the destination or printer to save as PDF. In many browsers, it's labeled exactly that, save as PDF. In some setups, you might see a similar option such as Microsoft Print to PDF. The idea is the same. Choose the option that creates a PDF file instead of sending output to paper. Once you've selected it, the preview should reflect that you're creating a PDF. Finally, click Save. Your browser will ask where to store the file and what to name it. Pick a location you'll remember, like your Documents or Desktop folder, and give the file a clear name. Make sure the extension shows .pdf. Click Save one more time and the file will be created. That's it. You open the HTML file, use the print dialog with Ctrl or Command+P, set the printer to save as PDF, and clicked Save. The resulting PDF captures the visible layout of the page at the moment you saved it. Keep in mind that interactive elements like videos or animations won't be interactive in the PDF, and very long pages may span multiple PDF pages. If something looks off in the preview, small adjustments like switching between portrait and landscape or checking the scale can help, but the core process remains exactly the same. You now have a clean, shareable PDF version of your HTML file ready to email, archive, or print later.